Well, good morning. Today I'm going to talk about a tool called HeyGen. This tool is extremely good if you want to create avatar-based self-explanatory videos. If you are a camera shy, or if you cannot, if you have a low confidence in terms of recording your self video for some concepts, this video is absolutely great to do that. Now I am trying to do a video avatar using the using this one. So you can choose either landscape or portrait. So I am going to choose the portrait one because it is very helpful for shots, right? Now here there is a okay, you can create avatars, right? You can create photo avatars, instant avatars, studio avatars, and everything. In photo avatar, there is a possibility that you can upload a photo of yours. For me, I'm just going to upload this, right? Okay, it is uploaded now. Now what you have to do is you have to add this avatar here. Okay, this is just added. It is for maybe for 10 seconds, or maybe based on the script it will expand, right? So for the script side of things, let me copy paste the previous one, this one, and paste it here. So this is an intro video. You can add a script. Now you can delete it if required. So here you can put everything. Okay, it is just going only one thing. Let me copy paste everything. Okay, just okay. Let me copy and then paste it here. Okay, this is a very long script. Maybe we have to reduce it by less so that it will render fast, and then you can just delete this if required, or welcome to my avatar video, and then change the voice. This is a female voice, so just to relate to context, I'll just say Rex excited. And here also, if you look at here, there are different types of voices: multi-emotion, multilingual, OpenAI, narration, professional. For now, let me also here choose Tony Professional, and here also I will choose Tony Professional so that it sounds like the same voice. So once you add the script, if you want to multiple people to talk about it, multiple avatars, you can add multiple avatars, one after the other. Now you all you have to do is do the just submit part. Okay, submit anyway. Meaning I just want 12 seconds. So it operates based on credit. The free credit is one, and then you have to go for the paid model, which is starting from $48 per month. Yeah, I would say I like it a lot. It's a very good video, good for avatar based videos. Then I just submit. So it is getting ready. Meanwhile, it gets ready. If you look at, if you want to kind of upgrade this one, there are different types of plans: $48 to $40 in custom. So 360 credits. Normally uh, one credit, you can, I think you can create close to 40-50 seconds avatar video, I think. But okay, here it is saying, right, one credit generates 1 minute video. So typically, per month it is 360 credits. So you can create 360 videos if required, based on the avatar side of things. If it is team wise and enterprise wise, they have different plans. And they have, it's a pretty straightforward tool. They have, apart from video avatar, you can create AI voice, video transition, so on. So now, if you look at this video, let me play this for you. So it looks like me talking, right? And I just uploaded my. Okay. So this video, you can create avatar videos. You can get you create educational videos. You can stand in front of. You can change the photos by standing in front of a corporate logo, and then just upload that photo. It has its own variations. This is shorts format. You can create a full screen video. So this is just an amazing side of Gen AI, especially in the video side of things. Let me give credit to Shushant, who introduced me to this tool. Thank you, buddy. And thank you, guys. Let me know if you have any thoughts, feedback on this, and we'll iterate it further. Thank you.